back to my YouTube channel. Today we want to look at a very simple chord progression that was used in Lord You Are Good by Israel Houghton. Lord Israel Houghton. Lord, you are good and your mercy enduring. I'm playing the chord. Okay. Okay, so I got the root note from here. So we want to look at this first root note. It's coming from the Do, we are using the key D, so on the 7th fret. Then the T, the 7th note of that key is the which note is that? C sharp. For this one we have to use the chord 5 for it. So 5, but the next one is not in the major scale, so we have to use a different chord pattern. So between the T and the La, there's the La. So Do, T, La. So La, T, Do, but we are not going to the La after the T. So before we come to the La, so I use the La. No. So the La, the F part takes that La note. So we are looking for notes that will fit that chord progression. So it's our so let's look at this. So that one is going to be a minor, and since we have it on the 3rd fret, just like the Do for every key on the 3rd on the 2nd string, on the 3rd string, sorry, is the A shape. We are going to use the A shape for it. So to the C, then we go back to F, the 4. So 1, 5, then the minor, the 4. So we can play it in the C shape. So since we started D, from D to A, then the C before G. So we can do it here. So D, sorry, D, A, if you're playing any other um shape, you'll be able to figure your way out. Imagine you are asked to play this song in B, or not B, let's use G, but you want to start from the 12th fret. Oh. I hope this video was helpful. At least you've gotten some chord progression that you can add to your books, that if maybe you want to write a song with this kind of chord progression. Yeah, don't forget to leave in the comment section if there's something that you need me to clarify and to make it much better. Anything that you think I can do to improve this my content, feel free to put it down in the comment section. And thank you to all my subscribers. And if this is the first time you're watching my videos, don't forget to subscribe, give a like, hit the notification bell icon so that you be the first person to see my videos. See you next time. Thank you.